Hello students, in this video, today we are going to learn about asexual reproduction in organism. What is asexual reproduction? The reproduction in which single parent or single individual is involved and this individual is capable to form the new organism. This is called the asexual reproduction. Now, types of asexual reproduction. First is the fission. Subtype of fission are the binary fission and multiple fission. Second is the fragmentation. Third one regeneration. Fourth one budding, and fifth one spore formation. These are the 5 types of asexual reproduction. Now, first fission type is the binary fission. Binary fission is generally occurs in unicellular organism. In binary fission, 2 cells are produced from a single parent cell. And example of binary fissions are amoeba, paramecium, protozoa and bacteria. Okay, now here we are taking amoeba as example. This is the structure of amoeba. As we know, amoeba has no any organized shape. This is the body of amoeba. Here is the cytoplasm. This is the nucleus. When amoeba undergoes the binary fission, then first of all it starts to elongate nucleus. Then once the nucleus is divided, cytoplasm also simultaneously divided. And here we get the two daughter amoebas or two daughter cells. So this is the binary fission of amoeba. Now second type of fission is the multiple fission. This type of fission also occurs in unicellular organism. In this type of fission, many daughter cells are produced at same time. Example of multiple fission are Plasmodium, amoeba, etc. Now here we are taking Plasmodium as an example. This is the body of Plasmodium. Here is the nucleus. So how multiple fission starts in Plasmodium? When unfavorable condition is arrived, then Plasmodium forms a cyst around itself. It forms the cyst around itself. And then it undergoes the multiple division. When it undergoes the multiple division, this parent nuclei is divided into many tiny nuclei. Then this nuclei collects the cytoplasm around itself. After that, cell wall formation takes place. So this is the multiple division inside the cyst. And when favorable condition occurs, then this outer covering or this cyst is break. And when this cyst is break, then many number of daughter cells are released out. This is the multiple fission. Now next asexual reproduction is fragmentation. Fragmentation occurs in multicellular organism. In fragmentation, two or many new organisms are formed at same time. We can take example of fragmentation is Spirogyra. This is the Spirogyra. When it breaks into two pieces or many pieces, then this each piece of Spirogyra Okay, what is difference in between the binary fission and fragmentation? In binary fission also, one cell is divided into two cells. Here in the fragmentation, one cell is divided or one organism is divided into two or many. But in amoeba or in binary fission, once they complete their reproduction, we are get the two daughter amoebas. These amoebas are adult organism, but here we get the two pieces of Spirogyra, and these are grows into the new organism. So this is like a slow process. This is about the fragmentation. Now next type of asexual reproduction is regeneration. Regeneration is generally occurs in plants and animals. In the regeneration, small cut part of the body can be regenerated. Examples of the regeneration are Hydra and Planaria. These are the example of plant. If we are taking the example of animals, then lizard is the example of regeneration, or starfish is the example of regeneration. Here we taking the Hydra as an example. So this is the structure of Hydra. When this hydra cut into the two parts, this is the upper part of hydra, and this is the lower part of hydra. So hydra has the capability of regeneration. So after regeneration, hydra completes its body. This is about the regeneration of hydra. Now, next type of reproduction is budding. In this sexual reproduction of budding, organism forms the outgrowth on its body, and this outgrowth is called the bud. And example of budding is the yeast is there, planaria, and hydra. We are taking yeast as an example here. Suppose this is the body of yeast. This yeast forms the outgrowth on its body. This is the outgrowth. Here is the nucleus of yeast. Initially, this bud is attached to the parent body. When this bud is gradually grows, then nucleus also divided. At one point, this bud is detached from the body, and now this detached bud can be grown as an complete organism. Now, next type of asexual reproduction is spore formation. Spore formation, this type of reproduction takes place in plants. Here, many spores are produced. We can take an example of spore formation is mucor or rhizopus. Here is the structure of mucor. Spores are grown here. Okay, so what is spore formation or what is spore? Spore is the microscopic reproductive unit of plant which are covered with the protective coat. This is the protective coat of the spores. When this coat is burst, spores are released into the air, and these spores are settled down, suppose this is bread, and when these spores are settled down on a food under favorable condition, then these spores are going to germinate and produce new plant. This is about the spore formation. Now today we have learned about the asexual reproduction. In next video, we will learn about the sexual reproduction. Thank you.